Today, we will explore the concept of adventure tourism, a sector of the tourism industry that has seen remarkable growth over the past few years. Adventure tourism is defined as travel that involves exploration or travel with a certain degree of risk, and it often requires specialized skills and physical exertion. Adventure tourism encompasses a wide range of activities, from mountain climbing and whitewater rafting to bungee jumping and skydiving. These activities attract thrill seekers and those looking for unique, exciting experiences that go beyond the typical vacation. One of the primary appeals of adventure tourism is the opportunity to experience nature in a more direct and immersive way. Adventure tourists often travel to remote and less visited areas, which allows them to witness unspoiled landscapes and wildlife. This connection with nature is a significant draw for many travelers seeking to escape the routine and the crowded commercialized tourist spots. Additionally, adventure tourism has significant economic benefits for local communities. Many remote areas that are popular for adventure tourism see increased economic activity due to the influx of tourists. This can lead to job creation and infrastructure development, providing a much-needed boost to local economies. However, there are also challenges associated with adventure tourism. The environmental impact can be considerable if activities are not managed sustainably. It is crucial for operators and tourists to follow guidelines that minimize their ecological footprint and help preserve the natural environments they enjoy. Safety is another critical concern in adventure tourism. Due to the inherently risky nature of many activities, proper training, equipment, and adherence to safety protocols are essential. Tour operators must ensure that their staff are well trained and that safety measures are in place to protect participants. In summary, adventure tourism offers a thrilling alternative to traditional travel, providing opportunities for personal growth, unique experiences, and economic benefits for local communities. However, it also requires careful management to ensure sustainability and safety,